Your Samsung Galaxy Watch can get stuck during an update for several reasons. Understanding these factors is key to preventing update problems. One common cause is low battery. Updates require at least 20 to 30% charge to complete successfully. A poor or unstable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection can also cause issues, as it may interrupt the update download process. Corrupted update files can occur if the download is interrupted, leading to damaged data that prevents installation. Incompatible apps installed on the watch can conflict with the update process and cause it to get stuck. Insufficient storage space is another factor, as updates typically require at least 500 megabytes of free space on the watch. Sometimes, issues with the watch's bootloader or firmware itself can interrupt the update process. Understanding these common causes is essential for preventing future update problems with your Samsung Galaxy Watch. The simplest solution is a force restart. Press and hold both the power and home buttons or power and back buttons on some models for 15 to 20 seconds. This triggers a safe reboot, usually without data loss. It often resolves hangs caused by minor software glitches during the update process. If the watch restarts normally after this, check if the update completed successfully in the settings. If a force restart doesn't resolve the stuck update issue, the next step is to access recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. This special boot mode allows you to perform maintenance tasks without loading the full operating system. To enter recovery mode, the button combination varies slightly by watch model. Generally, press and hold the power button and either the home button or volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the watch vibrates or shows the recovery screen. Once in recovery mode, you'll see a menu with several options. The most useful for stuck updates is wiping the cache partition, which clears temporary system files that might be corrupted. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset, but be aware this will erase all your data and settings. Use the volume buttons to move up and down through the menu options, and press the power button to select your choice. Remember that a factory reset will completely wipe your watch, so only choose this option if other methods have failed and you've backed up any important data. After selecting an option, the watch will perform the chosen action and reboot automatically. If the update issue persists after trying these recovery options, you may need to use more advanced tools or seek professional help. Use the Galaxy Wearable app on your paired smartphone to initiate or complete the update. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version, which should be 3.5 or newer. Connect your watch to your phone via Bluetooth. In the app, navigate to Watch Settings, then Watch Software Update. If the update is paused or incomplete, try resuming it from here. For a more stable connection, Samsung recommends using a wired connection between your phone and watch if possible while updating through the app. Samsung Smart Switch is a powerful tool available for computers and some phones that can help sideload updates onto your Galaxy Watch. Smart Switch is available for computers and some phones, making it a versatile option for manual updates. First, connect your Galaxy Watch to your computer or supported phone using a USB cable. Next, open the Samsung Smart Switch application on your computer or phone. Follow the prompts in Smart Switch to establish a connection with your Galaxy Watch. If an update is available, Smart Switch will allow you to install it directly, bypassing wireless update issues. This method is particularly useful if your Galaxy Watch consistently fails to update wirelessly, providing a reliable alternative through wired connection. To minimize the risk of getting stuck on updates in the future, always ensure your Galaxy Watch has at least 30% battery charge before starting an update. Maintain a stable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection throughout the process. Close any unnecessary apps running on the watch. Make sure you have ample free storage space, at least 500 megabytes or more. Enable auto backup in the Galaxy Wearable app to protect your data in case a reset is necessary. Avoid updating while traveling or in areas with unreliable connectivity. If you've tried all the software-based solutions and your watch remains stuck, it may indicate a hardware problem. Contact Samsung support or visit an authorized service center. Hardware issues, like a corrupted eMMC storage chip or a faulty battery, often require professional diagnosis and repair. Attempting to fix these yourself can void your warranty or cause further damage. Looking ahead, Samsung is actively working on improving update reliability through AI assisted diagnostics and more resilient update mechanisms. Future updates will feature automatic pausing and resuming, allowing the watch to handle interruptions gracefully without getting stuck. Blockchain like verification will ensure update integrity, preventing corruption that can cause update failures. AI driven prediction of optimal update times will suggest when to update based on your habits and device conditions. As Wear OS evolves alongside 6G networks, Samsung will optimize bandwidth usage to prevent interruptions. These improvements aim to minimize the risk of watches getting stuck during updates, creating a smoother experience for users. By focusing on these future trends, Samsung is committed to making software updates more reliable and user-friendly.